At 64, many called him a provincial politician when he became Prime Minister in 2014. Critics doubted his global appeal and questioned his Hindu nationalist background. But in just over a decade, Narendra Modi has silenced detractors, transforming India's foreign policy with a firm India first approach. Listen in.
He was 64 when Narendra Damodar Das Modi became India's Prime Minister in May 2014.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी.
They called him a provincial politician. Back then, his critics believed he lacked experience on the international stage, attributing the cause to his Hindu nationalist background. All displaying a new India that's offering solutions to global challenges. In 2023, India's G20 presidency positioned the country as a voice for the global south, with admission of the African Union to the G20, a move that solidified India's G20 theme of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, meaning one earth, one family, one future. Interestingly, Modi's Neighbourhood First and the Act East policy have deepened engagement with Southeast Asian nations, also to counterbalance China's clout. In fact, after the Galwan Valley crisis of 2020, India's firm resolve against Chinese military aggression has now led to a thaw in ties. So much so, the power play of Modi, Xi and Putin at the recently concluded SCO in Tianjin has redefined Modi 3.0. Even as Trump's tariffs have plunged the world into uncertainty, particularly India that's slapped with the highest US tariff of 50%, despite New Delhi being a key strategic ally to Washington. But the India-US bilateral relationship has spanned over 2 decades. Much can be credited to the Quad grouping comprising India, US, Japan and Australia. Its focus: ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific while also countering Chinese aggression. But the watershed moment for Modi's foreign policy arrived with Operation Sindoor. This, as Modi declared, that this is not an era of war, but it is not an era of terrorism either.
हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है.
Whether the most recent political upheaval in Nepal or last year in Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka to Myanmar, Afghanistan to Pakistan, India under Modi has remained a beacon of democracy in a region engulfed in turmoil and lawlessness.